So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, it is a Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial. I decided to do a makeup tutorial because why not, and I enjoy doing makeup tutorials, and I haven't done one yet this year. So this is my first makeup tutorial of 2018, so I hope you guys like this video. I think it turned out good. I'm pretty sure it turned out good. And yeah, so this is the makeup look. You guys will see in the video, and let's just get on to the video. So starting off with this makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day, we're going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Finish Primer just so that our makeup stays on all day and all night, and this really helps set the foundation. And now for foundation, we're going to use the Clinque Foundation, and this just gives you a more full coverage, so we're just going to dot this all over our face, and then we're going to blend it in with a beauty blender brush. So we're just going to put it in circles, blending it, and then we'll just like pat it out. For concealer, we're going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This just gives you a more coverage concealer, and I really think it does that. So we're going to put this under our eyes and on our blemishes and acne, and then we're just gonna blend that in with a concealer brush. And next for powder, we're gonna use the Revlon Stay Powder, and this is one of my favorite powders lately. And we're gonna use a BH Cosmetic brush, and we're just gonna pat this all over our face just so our makeup and our foundation stays on. And now for blush, we're gonna use the Tarte blush in the color Fiesty, and this just gives you a nice natural look. For a highlight, we are going to use the Mary Lou highlight from the Balm, and we're just going to put this on where we put our highlight, on like above our apples of our cheeks, on our nose, and on our cupid's bow, just so we get that very nice glow, because we want out into the fun part of this look. So for this look, we are going to be using the BH Cosmetic eyeshadow palette, and this is just a very bright palette, and we're just going to be using the pink color for our more of our base, and we're going to just blend that in a lot, and then we're going to mix like a bunch of different colors in the palette. I think it turned out okay, and this is just our look because we want it very pink and bright and colorful for Valentine's. Mascara, we're going to use another Tarte product. As you can tell, I've been really liking Tarte lately. So we're using a Tarte mascara, and we're just going to put this on our upper lashes, and just so that this mascara gives you that full look, and it will just make it all come together. And last but not least is lipstick. So we are going to be using the NYX Butter Gloss lipstick in the color Lifeguard, and this just gives you a very nice mauve color and just ties up the look. That is all I have for you guys today, and cue the outro. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more makeup tutorials, because there'll be more makeup tutorials coming your way soon. I'm definitely going to do a updated everyday makeup look eventually. And yeah, I have tons of videos planned for this year. I have like weeks and months planned already, which is crazy. But yeah, if you guys have any requests, let me know down below, because I'll be sure to do them. If you have any special video requests that having to do with beauty, lifestyle, college advice videos, anything. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next Sunday, which will be next Sunday's gonna be, I think, Ipsy or my freebies haul. I'm not sure which one yet, depending on when I get both, but I think it's gonna be a freebies haul, so you guys get on look for that, because I'm starting to do those again because I enjoy them, and that's all I have, and I'll see you guys, and I'm finally gonna end this, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.